Here is how you can find the reels that you have watched on Instagram using your iPhone. Let me get started. And if this is your first time being here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So of course, the first step is to open up your Instagram on your iPhone and go to your profile by clicking the icon in at the bottom right. And from the options, which you reveal the more settings and options when you click on the three lines in at the top right. And then you will have the ability to click on your activity. So this is a section within Instagram which lets you track your activity, like the likes you have left on videos and the comments, reposts, and stuff like that, which in and of itself might already help you out, right? Like if you check out the likes you clicked on videos, you can see your watch history. But even better, when you go to the bottom entirely, you can find the watch history. It's part of the section which is called how you use Instagram, and it's like designed for you to keep track of what's really the way you go about the usage of the platform and the app. But part of the watch history, you can of course scroll through the videos you have watched. You can filter by the dates and even by the people, by the creators. So you can look up a specific person and see the reels you have watched from them. So it would make sense, right? You can check out the stuff that you are interested in, and it's just a nice way to see what's really going on. Keep in mind, however, that it's not likely going to be the full list, the full history of the things which you have watched, right? Because you might be using the platform for a really long time and the app came through some changes, so it's not going to be like from 6 years ago showing you the reels you watched, which would not even make sense. But yeah, you can go to the past and see some of the videos you have watched. So yeah, it's definitely a nice tool to have. But let me know what you think about that below in the comments. I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.